Hey guys, this is Ronnie with Great Choice Audio Video, and today we're going to install the Elan touch panel, and I'll show you how we're going to do that. So we have our Cat 6 here with a single gang breakaway plate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the plate out of the way. Plate out of the way like that. Alright, now we got microphone fixed. Hopefully y'all heard me through all that. And I got this piece right here, and it's actually labeled inside up for which way it needs to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put it over here. We're gonna level it out. Once you have it cut out like that, we can fit this in here. Make sure we put it facing up. And we'll go ahead and put the screws in. Pretty simple install, guys. Probably can't see much with me covering it up, but screw it in. Screwed in. I've already previously went ahead and made my Cat 6 connection, but we do not have power over the Cat 6 yet, so this is just a rough install. And I always like to try to feed it through the right side of the plate there, so make sure it's nice and out of the way when you go to push this into play. Nice secure fit. It does take a little bit to get it in there just because it does fit pretty tight. And just to make sure we're level. We're pretty level right there. And it does have a film on it. I'm gonna go ahead and leave that there while they're still doing construction in the house. And I'll show you the next touch panel here soon. Stay tuned. And basically right here, I have our flush mount kit for our Elan touch panel. So what I went ahead and did is I drew on the wall to show our cutout markings. And now I'm going to do the process of actually cutting it out, and I'm going to use my multi-tool. Alright, let's see. Test fit. So now we know it's going to fit in there. So next we will go ahead and that black bracket that we installed on the other one in the wall, we're going to put here, and it should line up with these screw holes. And let me go ahead and get that, and I'll come back to you. Now that we've got our black ring in there, it magnetizes into that, which is real nice. We're going to go ahead and we're going to feed it through the side that we want on here. And we'll go ahead and feed it in the wall. Once we feed it into the wall, grab my trusty impact, and we'll go ahead and tighten down the little dog ears that it's got. And I like to tighten things in a star pattern. Alright, so now that we got that, it gives you these screws that you can set adjustment levels as far as how deep it needs to sit. So let's see here. This is our frame that goes around it. I'm going to go ahead and back out my screws a little bit. Now, put that back on there, and I'll be able to see if I'm flush or not. See, and that tells me I need to go back in just a hair. It takes a little bit of work to get it to where you exactly want it, but once you get it there, you can see my bottom's still poking out a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get the tool to move this. So make it easy to, instead of having to pry it back out of there once you have it set, you can just magnetize it back in there to set your distance. Makes it easy. Like I said, you can see the bottom here isn't quite right, so I'm gonna get that going in. So let's go in a little bit there.
It's not, I mean, it's way out on the ground on top of the bottom of the straight, and it's pretty straight with the bolt head.
So let's see what we got there. And I think that might have been too much. Oh, it's actually perfect. So I'll show you a little closer look here. Take this off real fast, I'll show you. And that's as much as it sticks off. And then you have your little bezel. And it's magnetized around it. So remember guys, like and subscribe down below, and we'll see you in the next one. We'll show you some really cool projects that's going on in this house.